Okay guys, quick video here, hope it's quick, on, thought I'd do one on why I use AMSOIL. A lot of people ask me why I use AMSOIL. I had a Dodge minivan, or I have a Dodge minivan, 2007. Had a really noisy motor, clanging, tapping, I don't know if it was the lifters or what, but it was making a lot of noise. So I knew about AMSOIL because it's a local company here in Minnesota. It's actually in Superior, Wisconsin, just north of me a little bit. And I think up in the upper Midwest we know about AMSOIL a little bit more than a lot of the other parts of the country because it is local. Anyway, nice local company, local people are supporting, American company. I knew about their engine flush, so it's an engine and transmission flush. So I ran that through the motor. It says to run it like 10-15 minutes before you change your oil. So I did, and then I put in their top tier signature oil in it. They have 3 different tiers. So then I had that in there for a few thousand miles, and it sounded better. It was better. The more I drove it, the better it got. The oil has detergents in it, so I'm assuming that had something to do with it. I wasn't sold on the 25,000 mile oil change that AMSOIL was talking about then and now. So I just changed it at my regular interval, about 3,000-4,000 miles. Did the flush again, put the oil in again, and it really got better after that. It was much better. The noise of the engine pretty much went away. There was still a little bit. It wasn't perfect. I think something had worn out in it, and it's still that way today. I got 248,000 miles on it now, and it's still making that noise. A little bit. And I actually went to running it out once a year. I put about 20,000 miles a year on that thing at the time, and I changed it once a year. Changed it in the fall before winter, and I was good to go. Shortly after I had done that with the engine, the transmission started acting up. It was chattering around 35-40 miles an hour. If you just kind of hung at that speed, the whole car would just kind of vibrate. And I called a transmission shop, and he said, yeah, your transmission shop, bring it on in. We're going to find all kinds of problems with it. I decided to try the flush on it first, just see. So I drained it all out, put the flush in first, ran it, and then drained it all out, changed the filter, pulled the pan, and on there's a magnet in the bottom. There was a little bit of shavings in it, just a little bit, but it wasn't like chunks or anything. The transmission hadn't broken. So then I did that, and the chattering got better. I changed it again after 5,000-6,000 miles, and it never went away. 248,000 miles on that thing today, and it still does that. But it's on that same transmission. The same transmission that this transmission shop said, you need a new transmission or a rebuild, still going. It never got as bad as it was originally, but it's still there. Would other products worked? I don't know. I didn't try them. I tried AMSOIL because I was also intrigued by the possibility to make money. As you can see, I am a dealer now. I sell AMSOIL here. So I was kind of intrigued by that aspect of it. If it really worked for me, and if I could make something good out of it, then why not sell it? Make some money. And I do make some money. And you can make some money too if you want. But, I was kind of hemming and hawing whether or not I wanted to do this, because I do have a job and I've got other stuff going on. But it works. So it's like, why not try and sell it? Why not try and make some money? Why not try and make somebody else's stuff work better? I go to Costco and say, hey, Costco's got great prices, got great products, so hey, you should be a Costco member. Okay? You go over there and pay $35 and you're a Costco member, or whatever the membership is nowadays. No other oil company I know out there is paying me or letting me earn a commission to use their products. And I need to use oil. I've got 7 cars. I've got a lawnmower. I got a boat. I got a motorcycle sitting over here. I used to have snowmobiles, don't have them now. Why not make a commission on it? Valvoline or Pennzoil, nobody else is paying me to use their stuff. So that's why I use it. It's good stuff, works for me. If you're interested in buying some products, you don't need to be a dealer. You can be a preferred customer, just like you can be a preferred customer over at Costco and get a discount on the oil. There's also retail places to buy it. It is expensive if you buy the top tier stuff through the retail places, but you can get like a 25% off, something like that. If you're a wholesale customer or a preferred customer, as a dealer, you get a little bit more off, and then you also earn commissions on whatever you sell. And the opportunities to sell are amazing. It's just not. It's not just car engines. They have industrial oils too. There is markets right now. If you look at it, AMSOIL is big in the wind energy business. They are providing gear oil for those huge wind generators you see around the country. They're huge into that. That's not something as an independent dealer we can get into. Obviously, if you're not properly trained, you can ruin some serious high buck equipment there. Anyway, if you're interested in purchasing products or asking me more about how these products work for me or what products I do use, put something in the comments and I'll respond. If you want to be a preferred customer, I got a link in the comments also to my website where you can sign up to be a preferred customer. If you want to be a dealer, you can be a dealer. I can help you out with that too. I can show you. I sell industrial oils. I have some customers that are manufacturing facilities that buy 55-gallon drums of hydraulic oil, and they use in their equipment. 5-gallon drums, 55-gallon drums. AMSOIL is a real oil company, and there's lots of opportunity here. So if you're interested, let me know. Thanks.